Guys, it's Kyle. So we're gonna listen to Dan Keon's intro because I really want to hear it. I never heard it in my life, so yeah. Well, I have watched the news and I have heard his intro, but I never see where it came from. So I'm gonna see. Let's see where it came from. Oh, it is. Cal's hashtag because comment down below to win a iTunes gift card. So we're gonna yeah. Oh, test star. I love those books. I have one. What? So, yeah. You need to come. Real cool. And yeah, I love this game. Yeah, I have one of those books that is so lit. I'm gonna show you. Oh, there's this creeper. I think that was in the studio. We're going in the studio right now, so I'm doing the own test. So, oh, and there's Sam, he's just playing the 3DS. Yeah. I'm just listening to this thing because I wanted to really do a video on it. I'm throwing it where it came from, but yeah, so I just love this thing. I just stopped. Yeah, it's a good beat. Oh yeah. So guys, this is, you should type it in because I'm free download or something. You know, with this. But I used to press that theme song in this shit, but yeah. So yeah. That was so yeah, that was it. It was pretty exciting, and I'll see you guys in the next video.